Back here at video 46.
It is. Seems like we haven't went anywhere.
Nope. But we are doing neighboring perfect squares.
True.
Won't you be my neighbor?
Yeah, what's up, neighbor? All right. This is easy once you get the hang of it. But
Okay.
the concept kind of blows people's minds a little bit, I found. So that's why we're having a video to practice this.
Okay. I'm game.
So here's the task, Mr. Lewis. We're going to take a number like 156.
Okay.
We're going to find the largest perfect square that is less than 156. And you can play around with it. Like 10 squared is 100.
Yeah.
11 squared is 121. I mean, you could just guess. But if it's a bigger number, it's a little hard to guess. I guess it'd be annoying.
Yeah.
And then we want to find the smallest perfect square that's bigger than. So we want to find the perfect squares that surround 156.
Okay.
You ready for the secret?
I am. I love secrets.
We're going to take the square root of 156.
Ooh, square root of 156.
Square root of 156 is 12.49 about. So just this once, could you write this? So down below, 12.49.
Where?
Down in that space, yeah, right? Oh, right, like right there. 12.49 times 12.49 equals 156, about.
Okay.
So that's the number you square to get 156. So to find the perfect square that's less than it, we round down.
Right.
So 12 squared would be less than 156.
12 squared.
And so 12 squared is 144.
144.
So that's what goes in the first plane. So 12.49 times 12.49 is 156.
Mm-hmm.
So the numbers we multiply, the integers we multiply that are less than that are 12 times 12. And to get the perfect square that's above it,
Yeah.
we just round up.
Okay. I'm guessing that's 13,
Yeah, so 13 squared.
which is 169.
Right. So pretty much you take the square root of a number, round down, and square that to get the perfect square less than it. Round up, you get the perfect square that's bigger than it. All right, so this is one last time because I know this confuses people. 12 squared is 144. 12.49 squared is 156. 13 squared is 169. All right,
Okay.
let's try 71. This one we just guess at. If you think about it, 8 times 8 is,
64.
and 9 times 9 is,
81.
so those are the perfect squares that surround 71.
Yeah.
So if it's a small number, maybe we don't need the square root. But look at 600. So 600, I don't even know where to begin. So the square root helps us out. So take the square. We're going to take the square root of 600,
Okay.
and I get 24.49. So if we round that down to 24,
Yeah.
24 squared is the perfect square that's less than 600.
Yeah. Is that 576?
Dang, it is.
All right.
Would you like the perfect square champion?
No.
All right, 25 squared.
But we've done this unit already in Algebra 2.
25 squared. Oh wow, they're doing it in the sophomores. 25 squared is 625.
All right.
That one I know. So 24 squared is below, 25 squared is above. And 24.49 squared, which is 600, is right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
All right, 872. Here we go. So this calls for a square root.
Yeah, this one I don't know.
29.53.
Okay.
So 29.53 squared is 872. So 29 squared
29 squared.
would be the perfect square below it, 841.
841.
And 30 squared is 900.
Yes, it is. Bam.
All right. That's the secret, man. So no more guessing.
Okay.
So this is how it's kind of asked. So usually on the quiz it's like find the smallest perfect square that's greater than 329.
Okay.
So we're going to take the square root of 329,
Yes, we are.
which is 18.14. And since we want the perfect square that's bigger,
Greater than.
yeah.
We want to round up.
So 19 squared, you know that one?
No.
361.
You would think I would.
Now,
Yeah.
there are a whole lot of perfect squares greater than 329. 19 squared, 20 squared, 21 squared, 22 squared, etc.
Yes.
This is the smallest one that's still bigger than 329.
Right.
All right, find the smallest perfect square that's greater than 1200.
Okay.
Square root 1200.
Square root of 1200.
is 34.64.
0.64. We're going to
So-
round that up.
Yep, 35 squared.
35 squared. So we want greater than 1200. What are you looking at me for? I don't know.
I was just wondering if you got that one. I was so impressed before, man. I was like,
Yep, it's down now.
1,225. Alright, largest perfect square that is less than 500. So we're going to come in under 500. So
Now we
square
are
root
less
of
than.
500 is 22.36. So we're going to go for 22 squared.
22 squared, because we're rounding down now.
Yep, 484.
484.
And just so you know, 23 squared would have been too big. 23 squared was 529. All right. If you know the secret, it's easy. It's also good to do math in pairs. All right. So here's your journal assignment. So number one, it's like the first set of examples we did. Find the perfect squares that are on either side of the number. Okay. So 195 and 380. Then for number two, find the smallest perfect square that is greater than 914.
All right.
Go for it.